Mice and Men, Chapter 4, Pop Quiz. What does Crooks initially tell Lenny about being in his room? He's welcome to stay as long as he likes. He has no right to be there, or he should ask George if he can visit. Why does Lenny spend so much time in the barn? He's afraid to go into the bunkhouse. He likes helping with the horses. Or his new puppy is in there. What is Lenny's immediate reaction when Crooks suggests George might not return? He laughs it off, his face wrinkles with apprehension, or he gets angry. Who comes to the barn looking for Lenny? Slim, Candy, or George? What does Curly's wife say she could do to Crooks if he opens his trap? Get him fired, beat him up, or have him killed? What does Crooks say happens to a guy who gets too lonely? He gets sick, he becomes angry, or he talks to himself? What does Crooks suggest will happen to Lenny if George doesn't come back? He'll be sent to a different ranch, he'll be put in a mental institution, or he'll have to work alone. What does Crooks say happens to all the men who dream of owning land? They work harder to achieve their goals, they never get it, or they lose all their money to rich bankers. What does Curly's wife say about Curly getting his hand caught in a machine? It's a lie, and she knows he was beaten up. It was an accident, or she doesn't care anything about it. How does Crooks feel about joining the guys on their new ranch after Curly's wife leaves? He desperately wants to go more than ever. He reminds them that it's impossible, or he doesn't want to do it anymore. What does Crooks remember about his childhood? Living in a big city, his father working as a stable buck, or living on a chicken ranch with his brothers? What does Candy say he's been figuring out about the rabbits? How to make money on them, how many they can have, or how much food they'll need? What connection does Curly's wife make between Crooks, Lenny, and Candy? They are always causing trouble. They are the weak ones on the ranch, or they are the only ones who listen to her. What does Curly's wife accuse the men of being scared of? Curly, the boss, or each other? What does Crooks do after everyone leaves his room? He reads his books, he screams into his pillow, or he sits on his bunk and rubs liniment on his back. How did you score?